Everyone on the internet right now is talking about one thing: making money with AI. You see it everywhere on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram. Or use this AI tool, copy this method, start earning today. But here's the problem: no one actually shows you the full picture. They only show the wins, not the failures, not the wasted time, not the reality. So I decided to test it myself. No shortcuts, no fake screenshots, just real work. For the next 7 days, and I tried 7 different AI side hustles, one every single day. Same effort, same time, same goal, make money. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what works, what doesn't, and what's actually worth your time in 2026. Now, before we start, let me be honest with you. I'm not an expert. I didn't start with clients. I didn't have an audience. I started exactly where most people are. 0, which means everything you're about to see is realistic. Because if something worked for me, it can work for you. So here were the rules. Every day I pick one AI side hustle. I give it real effort, not just testing tool, but actually trying to make money, because that's where most people fail. They try something once, get no result, and quit. But this time I wasn't quitting. Day 1, I started with something simple: AI blog writing. It's one of the most talked about methods. Generate articles or sell them, make money. At least that's what people say. So I opened AI, generated a full article. I edited it, fixed the tone, made it sound human. Then I tried to sell it, and this is where reality hit. No replies, no interest, nothing. And after looking deeper, I understood why. This space is already crowded. Thousands of people doing the exact same thing, same style, same offers, same approach. And when you look like everyone else, there's no reason to choose you. Day 1, complete failure. Day 2, I tried something easier: motivational quotes, because let's be honest, it looks simple. Generate quotes, post them, grow a page, make money. So I did it, created quotes, designed them, made them look good. But then I asked myself one question: why would someone pay for this? And that's where everything broke, because the truth is, anyone can do this in seconds. And when something is that easy, it has no value. So again, no money. Day 3, I tried something more practical: email writing. Businesses need emails, promotion, sales, communication. So I created samples, wrote emails using AI, edited them, made them better. Then I reached out. And this time, something changed. I got replies, not money, but replies, which means there is demand, but I still wasn't there yet. Day 4, AI logo design. This looked promising. AI tools are powerful. Logos looked clean, professional, almost perfect. But here's the truth: people don't just buy logos, they buy trust. And as a beginner, I didn't have that. So even though the work was good, no one paid. Day 5, script writing. Now this was different. Content creators need scripts every day. So I focused on quality, not just generating, but improving, making it engaging, making it human. And this time, the responses were better. People were interested. Still no payment, but progress was clear. Day 6, short content, hooks, captions, short scripts. This is where attention is: TikTok, shorts, reels. And this time it clicked. The demand was real. People needed fast content, and I was very close. Day 7, I changed my approach completely. Instead of chasing easy work, I focused on solving a problem, a small one, but real. I used AI, created something useful, made it clean, clear, and valuable. Then I reached out, and this time everything changed. A real reply, a real client. I delivered the work, and finally I got paid. Out of 7 methods, only one worked, just one. And that's when it clicked. The internet is full of ideas, but ideas don't make money. Execution does, value does, problem solving does. Especially in markets like the US, where people don't pay for effort, they pay for results. They don't care if you used AI or did it manually. They care about one thing. Did it help them? If you want to make money with AI, stop chasing easy methods. Start focusing on value, because that's where money is. AI is just a tool. It's not magic. It won't make money for you, but if you use it the right way, it can change everything. So if you want more real experiments like this, where I test what actually works and what doesn't, make sure to subscribe, because I'm just getting started.